This video introduces how to implement the Ruijie Reyee domestic closed-circuit television plan for remote CCTV monitoring. The Ruijie Reyee domestic CCTV plan is an ideal wireless CCTV solution designed to safeguard your private property in your residential buildings. Our plan includes the following products and offers a 3-year warranty. With Reyee Mesh, you can extend your Wi-Fi coverage with just one click. With Reyee Bridges, you can achieve the backhaul of long-distance CCTV video data. Additionally, the bridges are pre-paired upon delivery by default, requiring no complex configuration. With Network Address Translation Traversal, you can easily access the network video recorder and IP cameras remotely. With Ruijie Reyee app, you can configure, monitor, and manage the previous devices with ease. Connect the WAN port of the primary router to the LAN port of the modem using an Ethernet cable or to the fiber-to-the-home Ethernet cable. Connect port 5 of the switch to the LAN port of the primary router. The bridge can be installed using either of two modes. Wall-mounted. 1. Secure the mounting bracket on the wall. 2. Install the device to the mounting bracket. Pole-mounted. 1. Secure the mounting bracket to the pole by threading a clamp through the mounting bracket. 2. Install the device to the mounting bracket. Finally, connect the LAN port of the bridge to the PoE port of the PoE power adapter, and connect the LAN port of the PoE power adapter to the LAN port of the switch. Install the other bridge in the same way. Connect the LAN port of the bridge to the PoE port of the PoE power adapter, and connect the LAN port of the PoE power adapter to port 5 of the switch. Connect the primary router, switch, and PoE power adapter to power sources.
First, scan the QR code to download Ruijie Reyee app and finish the registration. Next, connect your mobile phone to the default SSID released by the primary router, which starts with @Ruijie. Finally, open Ruijie Reyee app and create a network project according to the following steps. Tap Add a project, choose Yes, Home Router, and tap Start. After the device detection is complete on the app, tap Start Config. Follow the instructions on the page to configure the project. Configure the internet connection mode. Complete the Wi-Fi settings. After configuration is completed, you can connect to the Wi-Fi networks for internet access.
Before you configure Reyee Mesh, make sure that the secondary router is in its factory settings. If the device has been configured, press and hold the reset button for TENS to restore factory settings. Place the secondary router within 2 meters of the primary router and power it on. Press the Reyee Mesh button on the primary router and wait for the Reyee Mesh LED to be solid on. After completing mesh networking, you can place the secondary router in any location where you want to strengthen Wi-Fi signals. Connect the NVR to the LAN port of the secondary router. Install the IPCs as required, which can be connected to the NVR or switch. If you need to remotely access the NVR or IPCs, watch how to configure NAT Traversal on Ruijie Reyee app to remotely log into the NVR. For information about more features, follow Ruijie Technical Support.
Thank you for watching. Scan the QR code on the left to provide feedback or share your suggestions about the video. Scan the QR code on the right to access product documentation on the Ruijie Reyee official website. Your support is the driving force for our progress. See you in the next video.